Today we're going to learn how to trace a hand shape on paper and then add patterns inside to create an interesting hand shape picture. It's a fun and creative project that anyone can do. To get started, here's what you'll need. A piece of paper, a pencil or pen. Colored markers, crayons, or pencils are optional, but they can add a lot of flair to your design. And an eraser, if you're using a pencil, just in case you need to make any corrections. Alright, let's dive into the first step, tracing your hand. Place your hand flat on the piece of paper with your fingers spread out slightly. Next, use a pencil or pen to carefully trace around the outline of your hand. Once you've finished tracing, lift your hand and review the shape. You should see a clear outline of your hand on the paper. Step 2. Add patterns inside the hand. Divide the hand into sections. Lightly draw a few wavy, straight, or curved lines across the hand shape to create different sections. This will give you smaller spaces to fill with patterns. Choose your patterns. Fill each section with a unique pattern. Here are some ideas. Lines, straight, wavy, or zigzag lines. Dots, small or large dots arranged in clusters or rows. Swirls or spirals. Create flowing circular designs. Geometric shapes. Add triangles, squares, or diamonds. Organic shapes. Draw leaf-like or floral shapes. Add variety. Vary the size and thickness of your patterns for visual interest. Try contrasting different patterns next to each other for a striking effect. Step 3. Add color and details. This step is optional. Use colored markers, crayons, or pencils to fill in the patterns. Choose contrasting or complementary colors to make the design pop. You can color the background as well to make the hand shape stand out more. Final tips. Experiment with different patterns and color combinations. You can outline the hand shape with a darker color to make it more defined. If you want a more abstract look, add random shapes or doodles inside the hand. Enjoy creating your unique hand shape picture. Let me know if you want more creative ideas or variations.